Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to earn your first $100 online from home, step by step in 2026. This is beginner challenge, not get a rich quick video. Yeah, no scams, no hype, no complicated skills. If you have a laptop or a phone, have internet, and can give 1 to 2 hours a day, this challenge is for you, right? So let's break it down clearly. Most importantly here, let's clear something up. Understand the goal, right? The goal is not passive income or automation or big money fast. Your goal is your first $100. As proof, you can make money online. Once you hit $100, everything changes mentally, right? And now choose one method only. So don't jump around in different niches. Beginners fail because they try everything. I tried this personally, especially on the freelancing front, right? I was jumping from data entry to video editing, even though I know that I'm a pretty good video editor, right? So just don't jump between niches because that will cost you a lot of time, and time that you don't want to waste. For this challenge, pick one of these beginner-friendly methods. Freelancer microservices, affiliate marketing like Amazon Associate, right? No product. You just take the link of any product and post it in social media. And digital products like Gumroad, right? Just pretty simple. You sell something on Gumroad, you have a link, and just do the same thing as the affiliate marketing, but on your own products. Now, I will explain each and you choose one, right? The micro or the freelancer microservices, fastest for beginners. This is the easiest and fastest way. You don't need to be an expert. Examples: Canva designs, simple video editing, AI content writing, data entry, social media captions. Platforms that offer this service like Upwork, as I showed you, and Fiverr, people per hour, right? And if you want to know how to start, create one account, pick one simple service, create one offer only. Example: I will design 5 Instagram posts using Canva. Price it $10 to $20. You need 5 to 10 clients, equals $100. Yeah. Method 2, affiliate marketing. No product, no support, only link. You promote a product and earn commission. Good for beginners in 2026. Software tools, online courses, AI tools. Steps: join an affiliate program, get your affiliate link, and share it using content. So, a case in point, Amazon.com. I'm gonna go ahead and select any product from here. Let's say I'm into books, so I'm going to buy The Revolution here. Right? Now what you're gonna do, you can go ahead and just click get a link for this product, and you're gonna copy it. A link will be generated by Amazon Associates, right? You're gonna take the short link and sell it on social media, right? And you're gonna earn 4.50% commission rate. Okay, you can join, get your affiliate link, share that using your content. Where to share? You can share it on TikTok, YouTube Short, Pinterest, or blog, right, which is optional. Example: $20 commission, multiply by 5 sales equals $100. No inventory, no shipping. All right. Method 3, or the last method, simple digital product, which is underrated. Create one small digital product like Canva templates, checklists, Notion planners, resume templates. Tools that you can use: Canva, Gumroad, Etsy. The price should be between $5 to $15. Sell 10 to 20 copies. That's $100. Simple beats perfect. Set a 7-day action plan. Let's make this real. So day 1 or 2, choose one method, create an account, set a profile. Day 3 and 4, create your offer or content, publish your first post or gig. 5 to 6 days, improve based on feedback, post again, apply to jobs or share links. Day 7, follow up, fix mistakes, push harder. Most people quit before day 7, so apply this accordingly to your niche. And use AI to save time, not to cheat. In 2026, AI is normal. It's like your your assistant, your automated assistant. Use AI for writing descriptions, ideas, outlines, excuse me, improving clarity. Don't use AI to scam or copy others or lie. Use it as a tool, not a shortcut. And expect these feelings, right? You will feel confused, maybe slow, doubtful. I know I felt that yesterday. That's normal. The first $100 is not about money, it's about confidence. All right. Now, avoid these mistakes if you want to become a successful online creator or online. If you want to have a passive income on online, right, from home, watching tutorials all day, wanting to be or waiting to be ready, changing method daily, or overpricing at the start, or quitting too early. Action beats perfection. Now, what happens after your first $100? Once you make $100, you now have proof. You can scale, you can improve, you can reinvest. Most people never reach this stage. Now, you don't need a big audience or a lot of money or special talent. You need one method, 1 week, consistent action. Your first $100 online changes how you see money forever. So yeah, if you like this video, like the if you love this, if you if you like this video, don't forget to just hit the like button, subscribe, and comment $100 below to know that you reached this far. So thank you for watching, and I will see you definitely in the next one.